I'm Pandiyarajan from Diamler India Commercial Vehicles. In our day-to-day regular activities in our company, we are working in the Siemens, ABB kind of PLC programs. So we are search for that, how do we get the training and all. So we went into some searching. So we got a good company like Wiztech Automation. So we are understand that they are providing the classes like for Siemens, ABB and HMI like kind of things. So it is will be very helpful for us to learn in that from the basics onwards. So we are trying to come here and we are learning from more than 5 to 10 weeks. So in that we understand from the basic knowledge to high level advanced program, and this will be very helpful for us to work in our regular activities, as well as it is very helpful for our freshers and in college running guys, because they can understand the trainings in the early stage. It will be very helpful for them in the company organization side. So this one all will be helpful. So if you are get a time, just visit the Wiztech Automation to understand the what are the HMI logos they are having and all. So it's good. So anyhow, thank you.